Be honest, how many times have you posted on Instagram, sent a few DMs, and then just hoped that clients would just magically show up? Yeah, you're not alone. Most personal trainers rely on what I call hope marketing, posting random content, crossing their fingers, and praying that people will book in. But let's be real. Hope is not a strategy. Here's the problem. If you don't have a system to consistently bring in clients, then you're stuck on a roller coaster. Some months are great, whilst others are dead, and you have no idea where your next clients are coming from. And when that happens, you start thinking maybe you need to turn to paid ads. But unfortunately, ads won't fix a broken system. They'll just burn your money faster. The good news? You don't need ads to grow your fitness business. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step system to bring in 10 to 15 new clients every month organically. No big following, no expensive ad spend, just a simple, repeatable process that works. And if you're serious about growing your fitness business, hit like and subscribe right now because I drop new videos here every week to help you scale your business the right way. Okay, let's talk about something I see personal trainers getting wrong all the time. You're struggling to get clients, so what's the first thing you think? Maybe I should run some Facebook or Instagram ads. Look, paid ads can work, but here's the problem. If you don't have a strong brand, clear messaging, and a proven offer, ads will just burn your money faster than a high-intensity interval training workout on an empty stomach. Because throwing money at ads without a real system is like putting premium fuel in a car with no engine. It's just not going to go anywhere. Instead, the smartest trainers build a business that attracts clients organically through relationships, authority, and trust building. And the best part? It doesn't cost a penny. So let's dive into the system that will bring you consistent clients without spending a penny on ads. Okay, now that we've established that ads aren't the answer, let me show you what actually works. I call this the 3P framework because if you get these 3 things right, clients will consistently come to you. Firstly, people. Know exactly who your ideal client is. Most people try to market to everyone, and that's why they struggle. If your message is, I help people get fit, you're just blending in with every other trainer out there. Instead, get laser focused on your ideal client, who they are, what problems they have, and where they hang out online. Here's a quick checklist for clarity. Who do you serve? Be it busy professionals, new mums, athletes. What's their biggest struggle? Be it fat loss, muscle gain, accountability. And where do they already spend time? Is it Instagram, LinkedIn, maybe even local running groups? Secondly is presence. Show up where your clients already are. If your ideal clients are scrolling Instagram, then that's where you should be. If they're active in Facebook groups, that's where you must engage. If they go to local networking events, then show up in person. Instead of posting randomly, focus on being consistently visible where your potential clients are already looking for solutions. Here's some high impact ways to build presence. Post 3 times a week on social media, be that Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Engage in Facebook groups as well as online communities, and attend local meetups, gym events, or networking groups. The third P is process. Convert leads into paying clients. Here's the final and most important piece, having a process to turn interest into paying clients. Common mistake, a lot of trainers get likes, comments, and DMs, but they have no system to turn that into sales. You need a clear, simple process that makes it easy for prospects to say yes. So your conversion process could be a free consultation or trial session. That gets them in the door. Could be a DM script or email follow-up. This helps guide them towards a decision. A clear offer and pricing structure, so they know exactly what to expect. When you dial in the 3P framework, that's people, presence, and process, your business will start bringing clients consistently without ads. Right, let's start with the biggest mistake personal trainers make when trying to grow their business. They try to market to everyone. If your message is, I help people get fit, guess what? You're blending it in with every other trainer out there. But here's the truth. If you market to everyone, you reach no one. You need to get crystal clear on who you help and how you help them. The more specific you are, the easier it is to attract the right clients. The steps to follow are: number 1, age, lifestyle, and fitness goals. Are you helping busy professionals, new mums, ex-athletes, or perhaps people over 40? Are they focused on fat loss, muscle gain, longevity, or maybe even injury prevention? Secondly, where do they spend time, both online and offline? If your clients are scrolling Instagram, then that's where you need to be. If they're networking in Facebook groups or LinkedIn, show up there consistently. If they attend local events, gyms, or running clubs, go meet them in person. Thirdly, what problems do they need solved? Most clients aren't looking for a personal trainer. Instead, they're looking for a solution to a problem. Examples of this are busy professionals, I don't have time to work out. New mums will tell you, I want to lose baby weight safely. And people 40 plus, they'll say, I want to stay fit without getting injured. When you can get clear on your ideal client's problems, your content, your messaging, and offers become 10 times more effective. Now you know who your perfect client is. The next step is making sure they actually see you. Because let's be real, if your ideal clients don't know that you exist, how are they ever going to be able to work with you? Most trainers post random content whenever they feel like it, or even worse, they disappear for weeks at a time. But here's the truth. The trainers who win are the ones who show up consistently in the right places with the right message over and over again. So, where to focus your efforts for organic growth? Firstly, I recommend social media, posting 3 times a week. Pick one primary platform where your ideal clients hang out. If they're professionals, I recommend focusing on LinkedIn. If they're mums, Instagram and Facebook groups work well. The key, be consistent. Okay, so what to post? Firstly, stories and reels show behind the scenes of your training, daily tips, and client wins. Secondly, client wins, testimonials, and success stories, they help build trust fast. And then thirdly, educational content. Share something valuable and make sure it's so good they want more. Secondly, email marketing. Send 1 email per week. Most trainers ignore email, and that is a huge mistake. Your email list is the only platform that you own. Social media could disappear tomorrow, but your email list stays with you. It's your number 1 marketing asset. A simple weekly email plan. Mondays, post a quick tip or fitness win. Thursdays, a client success story or case study. Sundays, a personal story and soft offer, a free consult, challenge, etc. If you're not emailing your list at least once a week, you're leaving money on the table. Thirdly, local networking. Make sure you're seen in your community. Online presence is great, but don't forget the real world, and that means real world networking. If your ideal clients are in your area, get out there and meet them. So where should you show up? If it's online, Facebook groups and online communities, you can answer questions, offer value, be there. In local gyms or studios, partner with businesses that serve your local clients. Then of course there's meetups, fitness events, or even speaking gigs. Position yourself as the go-to expert. The final key to success? Consistency. The key to building authority isn't about posting a ton of content. It's about showing up consistently, providing value, and making it easy for people to reach out to you. So you're attracting the right people, you're building a presence, but how do you actually turn leads into paying clients? Most trainers have people liking their posts, watching their content, maybe even DMing them, but then nothing happens. What's the fix? You need a simple, repeatable conversion process. You don't need to be pushy or hard sell people. You just need a simple, repeatable system that guides leads towards working with you. How do we do that? Well, we do that through a simple process for converting leads. Firstly, I recommend offering a free consultation, assessment, or trial session. Remember, people buy from those they trust, and the best way to build trust, give them a taste of your coaching. Options that I found that work. Firstly, a free 15-minute consultation call. You can ask about their goals, their struggles, and build a roadmap for the solution. Secondly, a free trial session. Let them experience your coaching firsthand. That's always been a big one for me. Thirdly, a fitness assessment. Show them exactly what they need to improve. The goal with each of these, gets them to see you as the expert who can help them. Secondly, use a DM script or email to follow up with them. Most leads won't sign up immediately. That's why it's important to follow up with them with value, not desperation. A DM email follow-up structure might look like this. Step 1, thank them for their interest and ask about their biggest struggle. Step 2, share a quick tip or insight. Remember, always give value before selling. Then step 3, offer the free consultation or trial session. If you're not following up, you're leaving money on the table, and that's not good for anybody. Thirdly, have a clear offer and pricing package ready. Have you ever had a prospect ask, "So what's your pricing?" and then you scrambled for an answer? Don't let that be you. Instead, make it easy for people to say yes. You can achieve that by having a clear offer. So what's included and how does it help them? Show the value first, and you do that by positioning your coaching as the solution to their health and wellness problem. And remember, be confident in pricing. So no hesitation, no discounts, and state your price with clarity and confidence. When you guide leads through this process, selling suddenly feels natural because they already trust you. Okay, we've covered the entire system, but let's be real, knowing what to do isn't enough. The only way this works is if you take action. The fix? A simple 30-day challenge. I don't want you to just watch this video and then forget about it. What I want is for you to commit to this challenge for the next 30 days. First, identify who your ideal client is. Get super clear on who you serve, their pain points, and where they spend their time. Secondly, show up 3 times per week on social media. Post with purpose, whether that's client wins, valuable tips, or behind the scenes content. Thirdly, book 3 to 5 free consultations per week. Invite people to a free consult, trial session, or assessment. The goal is get them in the door and show them how you can help them. Do this consistently for 30 days and I guarantee you will start seeing results. Now, I want you to commit. So drop "I'm in" the comments, and if you're ready to take action and build your business without paid ads. And of course, if you want my exact templates, scripts, and marketing playbooks to make this so much more easier, then check out the link below. Okay, quick recap. If you want 10 to 15 new clients every month without ads, here's what you need to do. Firstly, know your people. Define your ideal client so you attract the right audience. Secondly, build your presence. Show up where your clients are, both online and offline. Thirdly, create a process. Have a clear system to turn leads into paying clients. When you get these 3 things right, your business will start growing organically without the stress of chasing leads or wasting money on ads. So drop grow, GROW in the comments if you're ready to commit to the system for the next 30 days. Want a step-by-step guide? If you do, grab my Quick Start Marketing Kit. It's packed with everything you need to make this process simple and repeatable. And if you found this helpful, hit like, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on notifications because I drop new business building videos here every week.